They're not going in downtown Atlanta, Georgia. You're staying in your neighborhood. That's fine. But as time goes on, you need to learn how to come to the end of your block, stop, turn on your right turn signal, which is up, check traffic. Once it's clear, make your right turn. Thank you, A. I appreciate you. Watch while others are driving. Watch your mom. Watch your dad. Look at my videos to help you learn how to drive, because that's the goal. I need you to continue to study yield and right of way. Adrian, if you have one thing to say to the group right now, put it in. What's the most important thing you have learned by being a driver who's now 25? And by the way, Adrian is now 25. It takes about 10 years to learn how to drive. So you need to focus on right of way. Oh, who has the right of way? I'm the second car. Then you're the second car to go. If two cars come at the same time, the car on the right has the right of way. What is our learning target for success? Teen driver must know facts.